Hey guys, well, welcome to another episode of The Maestro, and today it's head-to-head, my own personal 2016 Gen 1 BMW S1000XR versus my buddy's 2023 Gen 2. And first we're going to run them stock versus stock, and then we've upgraded the BT MOTO Tune, Stage 1 Tune to the 2023, and we'll run them again and see if there's a difference. All right, guys, here we Okay, so here we are with my friend Steve. Steve, how you doing?
Happy to be here.
We have the two XRs, and funny story is that this XR, my XR, used to be Steve's. I bought it from him about a year ago. We just met a year ago, and we've been riding together ever since. And since I bought my XR, at least 4 or 5 of my friends have also bought XRs, including Steve. He rectified his mistake and bought a 2023 XR. Mine is a 2016 XR, and this particular XR is very healthy. I mean, it outruns probably most of the other XRs I've seen for whatever reason. They put it together on a Wednesday in Berlin.
Well, it may have been maybe the rider.
No, I don't think so. Can't be that. But so Steve has this 2023 or Gen 2 XR. This is the Gen 1 XR. And Steve, you just did a little modification to it.
So yeah, I just put the BT Tune on it, which is the standard tune that takes that's the only modification that's been done on this bike.
So stage 1, they have stage 1 and stage 2. You elected to just do the software upgrade on the bike.
Exactly, and it's transformational.
Okay. Yeah. So we did 2 runs, one stock versus stock, and I have to tell you, my 2016 up against the 2023 stock bike, annihilated would be appropriate.
From what I saw in the footage, yeah. I wasn't on it, but yes.
Right. So I outran, and you'll see that in the first video.
It wasn't even close.
It wasn't close, no. And we attribute that is we did a little research and we found out that BMW put taller gearing in the Gen 2. And so we did the roll-on in 6th gear at 30 miles an hour and just from a low RPM all the way up to a higher RPM. And in that respect, the 2016 really outran the 2023.
By about 50 yards.
Yeah, like night and day.
The different gearing is in the 4th, 5th, and 6th gear. We found out they're all taller.
Okay.
On this bike, yeah.
So then the second one, just to make it fair and to get a apples to apples comparison, we did the same test, but this time we started in 2nd gear and just went up through the gears, and the difference is very noticeable. Actually, just the opposite pretty much occurred. So the 2023 with the BT MOTO Tune outran the very healthy 2016 bike. Well, there's the money shot, guys. The Gen 1 just blew away the Gen 2. So let's do the next run with the BT MOTO Stage 1 Tune on the Gen 2 and see what happens. Well, from way behind to quite a bit ahead, You can see that the BT MOTO Tune has made a significant difference, and now we're just going to end with some closing thoughts on the overall experience with the BT MOTO product. Tell me about your impressions on the Gen 2 with the BT MOTO Tune.
The BT MOTO Tune has transformed this motorcycle. I mean, it's just a different bike altogether. Most of all, it feels like this is the way the motorcycle is supposed to run. When you have the regular stock tune on it, you're having to use so much throttle, especially anything below 8,000 RPMs, certainly below 6,000. You're really trying hard to get the bike to almost to spool up. It feels like.
So this like flattens out the torque curve.
It's so smooth
and makes it just more flexible for everyday riding, traffic, canyons.
Exactly. Everyday riding, every gear, every place. It feels like I was very apprehensive that the shifting could be even smoother, and somehow it is. The engine braking feels like it's a little stronger and in a really good way. Everything about the bike just feels like it's meant to be this way, and it makes it really feel like the stock tune is not meant to be that way. It feels like the bike is trying less hard, and it's working so much better.
Yeah, we did the M1000XR test. If you want to go check that out as well. And pretty much the same results, maybe even more dramatic with the M than the S. But if you have an S1000XR, spend the money, guys. Get the tune. Make it work the way it was designed to work. Thank you very much. See you soon.